Hello, I'm Masa. Today, I'm going to introduce inverter generator, max output 15 kVA, rated output 12.5 kVA with HONDA GX690. And we also use 11 kW submergible pump, 15.3 kilowatts when we switch on. The submergible pump I just explained to you in the water. I'm going to switch on generator. Let's have a look at the rotation. It's about 3,700 now. And I'm going to switch on eco mode here. So check the rotation again. It's slowly down. About 3,200. Now I'm going to switch on the pump. So let's have a look at the pump again. So 11 kilowatts submersible pump is working all right. Lots of water coming from the hose. And then check the rotation again. It's about 3,500. So we can use 11 kilowatts submersible pump, 53 kilowatts inrush by 15 kVA inverter generator. Thank you very much.